Welcome back to Spy Garage. Mercedes-Benz Motorhome 2026, a blend of elegance and technology. In 2026, Mercedes-Benz, a luxury and innovative company, is anticipated to introduce a motorhome that will revolutionize road travels. The car is anticipated to be the ideal fusion of cutting-edge technology, tough off-road capabilities, and home comforts. Partial autonomy, features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, and even automated parking are probably going to be included in the motorhome. The trip will be more comfortable and safe as a result. Integration of solar panels. Energy output will be increased by integrating solar panels into other body sections in addition to those on the roof. Numerous electronic equipment, such as heating or cooling systems, can be powered by this energy. More advanced clean water system to optimize the usage of clean water. The system may have improved filters, seawater desalination capabilities, and even a gray water recycling system. Interior customization, with folding walls, seats that can be made into beds, and lighting that can be changed to suit the mood. The interior will be more adaptable. 5G connectivity, access to a range of cloud-based apps, top-notch video streaming, and video calls will all be made possible by 5G connectivity. Virtual reality. Integration with virtual reality devices may be available for a more engaging entertainment experience. You can play games, watch films, or even take virtual tour of different locations. Eco-friendly design and materials. Recycled materials. It's probable that Mercedes-Benz will build its RVs using more recycled materials, like wood for the furniture and plastic for the interior. Biomimicry design. To increase aerodynamics and fuel efficiency, the external design may draw inspiration from natural shapes. Greater customization. Online configurator. Customers will be able to create a detailed design of their ideal motorhome with Mercedes-Benz more user-friendly online configurator. Cooperation with interior designers. Mercedes-Benz may provide cooperation with well-known interior designers for clients seeking a genuinely distinctive interior design. A more customized user experience. Voice commands can be understood and prompt responses can be given by an intelligent virtual assistant. This helper can assist you with controlling the motorhome's many features, such as setting the thermostat, turning on the lights, and locating eateries in the area. Biometrics. To gain an entry to the motorhome, the security system will probably use biometrics like fingerprint or facial recognition. Additional advantages. Connectivity. You may remotely operate a number of motorhome operations thanks to integration with smartphones and other smart devices. Customization. From color schemes to interior design, you can alter the motorhome to suit your tastes. Comfortable driving experience. A smooth and silent driving experience is made possible with an advanced suspension system and enough sound insulation. In summary, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome offers a memorable journey and is a long-term investment. This motorhome is the perfect option for anyone looking for adventure without compromising comfort because it combines luxury, technology, and off-road capability.